Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the Gmail address in your mobile phone. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply open up Play Store app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Play Store app on your mobile phone, you guys have to simply tap on your profile on the top right, and here you guys have to simply click on settings, which is second last option. So after clicking on setting, here you guys have to simply click on the general, and here you guys can see the first option, which is account and device preferences. You guys have to just simply click on it. After clicking on it, you guys have to just simply click on the email address, and here it will allow you to change your email address. You guys have to simply put your new email address and tap on save. So after putting your new email address, Gmail will ask you for verification, and you guys have to simply verify it. So after completely verifying it, in this way you guys can easily change your Gmail address on your mobile phone. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.